Are you searching for the perfect saucepan to elevate your culinary experience? This Tramontina Tri-Ply Clad stainless steel 2-quart saucepan with lid might just be the addition your kitchen needs. Designed for both home cooks and professional chefs, this saucepan boasts premium construction, exceptional performance, and thoughtful design. In this detailed review, we'll dive deep into why this saucepan stands out in the crowded cookware market. Key features that make Tramontina a must-have. 1. Tri-Ply Clad construction. The saucepan's Tri-Ply Clad design features an aluminum core sandwiched between 2 layers of stainless steel. This construction ensures even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots and providing precise cooking control. Whether you're simmering sauces or reheating leftovers, the pan delivers consistent results every time. 2. Perfect for small to medium tasks. With a 2-quart capacity, this saucepan is ideal for preparing small to medium-sized dishes. Use it for gravies, reheating soups, melting butter, or even crafting delicate sauces. It's the go-to cookware for tasks requiring finesse. 3. Cooktop compatibility. The saucepan is compatible with all types of stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, and ceramic glass. Its versatility makes it suitable for any kitchen setup, ensuring it will remain a staple even if you upgrade your cooking appliances. 4. Oven-safe versatility. Seamlessly transition from stovetop to oven with this saucepan, as it's oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 Celsius. This feature adds a layer of versatility, allowing you to braise, bake, or finish dishes in the oven without switching cookware. 5. Stainless steel lid and ergonomic handles. The stainless steel lid locks in moisture and nutrients, enhancing the flavor and texture of your dishes. The riveted cast stainless steel handles are ergonomically designed for a secure grip, ensuring safety during handling. 6. Easy maintenance. Thanks to its mirror-polished exterior and stainless steel interior, cleaning is a breeze. The saucepan is dishwasher-safe, but it's also easy to clean by hand. 7. Durability and warranty. NSF certified for professional use, this saucepan is built to withstand repeated use in demanding kitchen environments. It comes with a lifetime warranty, highlighting Tramontina's confidence in their product's quality and durability. Why choose the Tramontina Tri-Ply Clad saucepan? Professional-grade quality. Tramontina has long been a trusted name in cookware. This saucepan is no exception, delivering performance that rivals high-end brands at a fraction of the cost. Its tri-ply construction ensures efficient cooking, whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook. Versatility for everyday cooking. From making delicate sauces to reheating soups, this saucepan adapts to various cooking needs. The combination of even heating, moisture retention, and ergonomic design makes it a versatile tool for any kitchen. Elegant design. The polished exterior and sleek lines make this saucepan a visually appealing addition to your cookware collection. It combines form and function seamlessly, allowing you to cook in style. Benefits. Even heating. Tri-ply construction ensures every part of the pan is evenly heated. Moisture retention. The tight-fitting stainless steel lid keeps your food juicy and flavorful. Safe handling. Riveted handles provide a secure grip, reducing the risk of spills or burns. Versatility. Compatible with all stovetops and ovens safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Low maintenance. Dishwasher safe and resistant to stains or discoloration. Unique insights. The Tramontina Tri-Ply Clad saucepan is more than just a cooking tool. It's an investment in your culinary journey. Unlike many competitors, it blends professional-grade materials with everyday convenience. It's rare to find a product that performs consistently across multiple cooking techniques while being easy to maintain. What could you create with this pan? Imagine the possibilities. Creamy risottos, velvety bechamel sauces, or perfectly reheated soups on a cold day. This saucepan unlocks creativity in the kitchen, making it a must-have for anyone passionate about cooking. Conclusion. This Tramontina Tri-Ply Clad stainless steel 2-quart saucepan with lid is a game-changer for anyone seeking reliable, versatile, and professional-grade cookware. Its tri-ply construction ensures even heat distribution, making it ideal for a wide range of culinary tasks, from crafting delicate sauces to reheating soups. The saucepan's compatibility with all stovetops, oven-safe functionality, and dishwasher-friendly design make it as practical as it is high-performing. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.